Hi, my name is Angela,
And I'm Carrie.
and we're two of the teacher product developers here at Really Good Stuff. And today we're going to talk to you about our social skills kits.
Yes, these kits are available in 3 different grade ranges, so you'll see each of those here. But they share the same recipe of social activities that will get your kids interacting, talking, and engaging with others.
Whether you call it social skills, social emotional learning, or just being a good human, these kits are full of hands-on tools that will help your kids understand their emotions and how to deal with them.
Yes, and how to work and get along with others. We all have to do that every day. So getting in this practice and repeated practice is going to help those kids along.
Yes, because we all need social skills.
Yes, we do. Now, I'm going to show you this kit. It starts with a guide for adults. So it has the content that will help teachers or parents walk the kids through some of the activities. And it also gives that adult a little bit of extra information about social emotional. It's been around forever, right? But it's come up a lot lately, and it just gives that background information that can help new teachers or parents know a little bit about what's happening in the classroom.
Yes, and they're chock full of activities such as coloring, breathing, fidgets,
Movement,
movement, all the things that kids will love to get practice at their social skills.
and get them ready to learn.